Yan ito. Halos lahat yan ay pabahay. Lahat ng to. Dami. Uy, may bakod na siya. Yan, ginakuran na siya. Dito sa project na to ay gagawin nilang business center ng Navotas. Tapos dito naman sa may area na yan, puro sa residential. Yan. Nagkaroon dyan ng mga seaports sa parte na yan. Good day guys, pupunta tayo ngayon sa may Navotas. Tingnan natin yung ginagawa nilang Navotas Coastal Bay Reclamation, kung ano na yung status. Ilawak ito na 650 hectares na tatawagin ding Southern Gateway to New Manila International Airport. So nasaan na tayo? Hulong Duhat Market. So partes pa to ng Malabon o Navotas na. Tingnan natin. So parte pa pala to ng Malabon, itong Hulong Duhat. So pagtawid mo ng tulay na yan, ayan na yung Navotas. Ito na yung Tansa Bridge. Andito yung building na barko. Daanan natin. Yan, ito yung building na barko. Yan o, ganda. Kung malayo ka, ipagkakamalan mo itong barko na nasa lupa. Yan, ito yung pabahay dito sa may Malabon. Marami to. Ganda na pabahay ito, parang eskwelahan. Meron pa dyan sa unahan natin. Yan ito. Halos lahat yan ay pabahay. Lahat ng to. Dami. So check natin to. Yung Coastal Bay Reclamation. Uy, may bakod na siya. Yan, ginakuran na siya. Mukhang umpisahan na to. Marami-rami na yung bakod na nilagay nila. Yan, may mga bakal na dito, mga scaffoldings. Tingnan natin doon kung abot hanggang doon. Yan sa may unahan. Dami ng mga daming mga damo tataas. Yan. Dating katubigan to, itong parte na to. Tinambakan lang siya ng lupa. Yan yung ibang excess na tubig sa dagat. Grabe. Damo dito. Yan o. Tataas ng damo. Hindi mo na tuloy makita yung Diyan sa may unahan. Taas. Ay, mga gamit nila, mga excavator. Daming excavator. Tapos ito yung dike na ginawa para protektahan yung area na yan. Kaya lang, daming basura. Wait, dami oh. Meron dun malaking crane Kasali kaya yan sa reclamation dito? Parang yan yung gagawin nila na coastal development siguro. Parang umpisahan na rin. Parte niya to kasali to magdidikit yan Dito sa project na to ay gagawin nilang business center ng Navotas. Tapos dito naman sa may area na yan, puro sa residential. Yan. Nagkaroon dyan ng mga seaports sa parte na yan. So dito sa maluwag na to ay business center to sa Navotas. So proceed tayo. Tingnan natin dito. Diyan sa malapit sa ano yan, no? Sa may pumping station. Mayroon silang ginagawa dyan. May malaking crane dyan, no? Imamayatin natin sa drone. Grabe. Ganito na pala dito. Dami ng mga basura. Di naman siya low tide eh. Yan. Medyo pa high tide siya. Yan, tumataas yung tubig dito. Yan sa Maria area na yan. Parang fish pond siya. Yan, ikot lang tayo. Wala na dito eh. Ito parang fish pond to. Ang dami mga kangkong, oh. Pwedeng ibenta yan. Mahal pa naman kangkong sa palengke. 10 pesos isang isang bundle. Yan. So yung gagawing dito, business center ng Navotas ay may lawak na 650 hectares.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times don't fly too high. So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. Myself wondering
What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kinda funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be